Hi, Eugene Silberstein here, and I'd like to take a few minutes to talk about my brand new book, Electricity, Theory, and Applications. The vision for Electricity, Theory, and Applications was to create a valuable educational resource for those who aspire to become an electrical industry professional, those who are currently employed in the industry, or those who simply want to learn about the exciting world of electricity. Regardless of the role you play in our ever-changing industry, this book provides valuable insight into the electrical theories and concepts that form a solid foundation onto which more advanced learning and understanding can be structured. It's really important to realize that learning electricity can be tricky, especially when people first start to study it. And this is completely understandable. Let's face it. It's much easier to learn about something that you can hold, like something with gears, levers, moving parts. You can't see electric current flowing through a wire. Think about it. Electricity is invisible. So as you begin studying electricity and electrical theory, you are in essence trying to see and understand the invisible. This can be really challenging, but this book is here to help you. By providing carefully created diagrams and illustrations throughout the book, you'll gain insight into these otherwise unseeable theories and concepts. Electricity can be dangerous, so a lot of people are afraid of it. To be completely truthful, we shouldn't be afraid of electricity. We should simply give it the respect it deserves. And this book does just that. It provides a behind-the-curtain peek into electrical theory, including how electricity behaves and, more importantly, why it does what it does. I had a great time putting this book together, and I hope that you enjoy reading and learning from this book as much as I have enjoyed creating it for you. Once again, this is Eugene Silberstein, and I hope you enjoy my new book, Electricity, Theory, and Applications.